Greetings everybody, welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix failed to get the branch list 7830016 in Delta Force Hawk Ops. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to donate to our channel, so that will be highly appreciated. So what you're going to do is first log into your Level Infinite Pass account from playdeltaforce.com, which is the official site, and then click on join test and agree terms and fill out the questionnaire. Then you're going to be heading over to their Play Delta Force and Twitch Drops forum or index. Then you're going to be signing in again. Link your Twitch account by selecting link Twitch account and find the Delta Force Hawk Ops stream Twitch. Once you do that, claim your Twitch drop and redeem Storm key and mention in the step 3. Once you do that, you are going to be following it by adding the game to and activating the product on Steam. And once you do, the downloading will be begin, and eventually it will be resolving your branch list error code as we discussed in the beginning of the video. So it is a little bit tricky part, but you can follow this tutorial. Make sure to watch it again and again until you get it fixed. And yeah, so these steps are officially provided. I hope these get the issue fixed up. Consider subscribing and donating using the link in the description, and see you guys around in the next one.